Hello everyone, here we've got Google Pixel 7 and let me show you how to block a number. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Settings. Here click on Block Numbers and you can either block all unknown colors if you wish, smoothly use the switcher to do it. Then you can also add some number manually by yourself, so just tap on Add a Number and then provide it right here. Click on Block to save the changes, and that's it. From now on, provided number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any call or messages from this contact from this number. Then, if you'll go back, you can also block some particular contact of yours. Smoothly open it, tap on More icon again, and here tap on Block Numbers. Confirm it, and here you've got the blockade icon. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.